Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create gradient backgrounds using Pixellab. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Pixellab, and then when you've opened it, you go over to your background section, which is the fourth icon on your lower section of Pixellab. And after you've done that, then you're going to go to color, and when you click on color, you see they have two options, which is the color option and the gradient option. The color option allows you to select any solid color that you want. You can decide to click on this plus icon and then adjust the tones and the hues of the color and just pick any color of your choice. If you want to pick the color from anywhere, you can just use your color picker icon and select any color that you want. Or if you know the color code, you can just click on this pen icon and type in the color code of your choice or adjust it, the hex, the reds, the blues, and what have you. So we are focusing on gradient background, so we're going to click on the gradient option, and once we have done that, you can see there are different gradient options. Some I've created, some were here by default. So if you want to create a gradient background, you click on the plus icon, and once you've clicked on it, you can see there are two, should I call them rulers here? There are two rulers here, and you can give them any color that you want. So the first ruler is selected, and I'm going to click on this last bucket fill icon, and once I click on it, I can select any color that I want. Let me select this color and click on OK. Now you can see that color has come to blend with this other green color. So you can select the second ruler and select the bucket too, and also pick any color of your choice. So this is the color that I'm selecting, and you can see it's created a nice gradient background. There are different ways you can create a gradient background. If you look at this top part here, you can see different effects. You can see how the color mixes from left to right. This one is, I could see this is vertically, while the first one is like a horizontal mixing, vertical mixing. This one is like diagonally. This one is kind of center line, gives that effect. And this one also horizontally and vertically, but just inverted. So you can adjust this anyhow you want, customly, in any of the effects that you pick. And also one cool thing is you can add more than two colors. In fact, you can add as much colors as you want. And if you want to add a color, you just click on this first plus icon, and once you click on it, you see another picker tool has appeared, and you can give that another color if you want. Let's try green. You give that a color, and you can see now we have three colors. You want another color, you can click on the plus button, click on the bucket tool, and let's go for yellow. And now you can see we have a rainbow party going on here. If you want to remove a color, you click on the minus option in the color that I selected. If I select this blue, which is the last one, and I click on the minus, it is going to disappear. But if I click on the plus, you can bring in more. You can also toggle or move between each of the pickers by using the arrow to either the left arrow or the right arrow too. Then if you click on this middle one, it just switches the colors, inverts them, takes the pink. You can see as I touch it, it takes the pink to this side. If you touch it again, it takes the pink to the right hand side. So that is that about creating gradient backgrounds. So you can just use this information and create something beautiful. Hope you learned something today. If you found this video helpful, please do like, drop a comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when I post more videos like this. I love you all, precious souls. Bye.